Hi everyone, welcome to FJ. Today we have Beena Prakash, who is going to do a very unique dish this time also. It's a spicy puri that she's calling. In Malayalam she said me something like, it's a folded puri, madaku puri she was telling me. Something which is spiced inside, non-veg spiced inside, and she's going to fry it up. So we have Beena Prakash again doing a unique thing. So this is how the ingredient goes. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻറ്റ് അല്ലേ. വി ഹാവ് കൊറിയൻഡർ ലീവ്സ്, കറി ലീഫ് ഓപ്ഷണൽ, ഇത് ചിക്കൻ. ഓക്കെ, ചിക്കൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു?
ചിക്കൻ കുരുമുളക് പൊടി മഞ്ഞൾപ്പൊടി മാത്രം വേവിച്ചിട്ട് മിക്സിയിൽ അടിച്ചെടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നു.
Okay, this is chicken which she has boiled with turmeric powder and pepper powder, and then she's pulsed it in the mixer to get such a dry coarse powder, like just like a dry coarse. Okay, this is ഇതിൽ ഇനി ആവശ്യമുള്ള സാധനങ്ങൾ മഞ്ഞൾപ്പൊടി,
മഞ്ഞൾപ്പൊടി, മുളക് പൊടി,
okay, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala, ginger paste goes, garlic paste goes, salt, grated carrot, green chilies, onion, big onions, thinly sliced, not sliced, chopped, and this is green peas which is boiled up, and the main stuff goes is here. This is the batter that she has done with. This has maida as well as the atta, that is all-purpose flour and the chapati wheat flour. So it is 2 cups of maida and half a cup of atta.
Atta 2 cups.
Okay, it's atta 2 cups and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then along with oil. Okay, and this is she's added oil and she's mixed up and she's made to a soft dough like this. Okay, now once you have this dough with you, you take it small balls just like this, small balls, and then just the way you make puris, we have made puris slightly bigger than that. She has made puris, and then this is how she's kept it ready. Now we are going to fill this, keep it inside this. She's got a cutter, fold it and deep fry it. This is how it goes. Let's see how the mix is getting done. Okay, to this we are adding oil is being heated up. She's adding just an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 this is clove, and 1 ilachi goes in to your thing. Onions goes in, sauteing it up. Idini brown angane endengil avana. Okay, so this has to be till it is slightly golden brown.
Okay,
now it's translucent. We add ginger paste, garlic paste, മുഴുവൻ എടുത്ത് കുറച്ച് മതി, ഇത് മതി. Okay, and then goes the powders. Vaichana. Okay. Just saute till the raw smell goes. Okay. In goes the chili powder. Madi? Okay. Turmeric. Madi. കുറച്ചുകൂടി വേണം. ഗരം മസാല എടുത്ത് ഇത് മതിയാവും. ഗ്രീൻ ചില്ലി.
ചിക്കൻ ഇട്ട്
ഓക്കെ. ഇനി എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇതിൽ വേണം? ഉപ്പ്
നമുക്ക് ഇതൊക്കെ
ചിക്കൻ ഇടുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി അടുത്തത് എന്തെങ്കിലും വായിച്ചിട്ട് ചിക്കൻ ഇടാൻ. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ്സ് എ മിൻസ്ഡ് ചിക്കൻ ദാറ്റ് ഗോസ് ഇൻ, ദ ബോയിൽഡ് ആൻഡ് മിൻസ്ഡ് ചിക്കൻ. Just getting sauteed. Wonderful smell. ഓക്കെ. ഇതിനി നന്നായി വഴറ്റണം.
കുറച്ച് വഴറ്റിയിട്ട്
ആ
ക്യാരറ്റ് ചിക്കൻ ഇടാം, പിന്നെ മല്ലിയില.
Okay. So once this is sauteed, we're going to add carrot, the green peas and everything. Add it. Carrot.
ക്യാരറ്റില്ല, പച്ചമുളക്.
Pachmurad. The green chili goes in. Green peas. Okay. First goes the green peas.
ഇതെല്ലാം കഴിച്ച്
കുറച്ച് മതി. It's only a bunch. I'm just putting it. മതിയോ ഇത്? കുറച്ച് മതി. മതി. ഓക്കെ. ഇനി സോൾട്ട് ഇടാലോ അല്ലേ? We are adding salt.
ക്യാരറ്റിനും ഗ്രീൻ പീസിനും സവാളയ്ക്കും കൂടി വേണ്ടത്
മാത്രം. Okay. So only because chicken has already salt in it, we are just going to add only for that. ഇത് മതിയാവും. We add curry leaf, optional because we may not get all these in every place. Chopped coriander leaves or parsley is fine. And please note it is completely dry. She has not add even a drop of water. And this makes me, of course, give it a taste, which I'm going to do it right now. So tempting. You know, it smells like a street food of India, which I usually get that blend taste, like you know this masal puri, pani puri stuffs. That smell is coming from this. Nice, very nice, excellent. Now let's do the frying. Let's see how she's stuffing in. The blend is perfect. It's very spicy. Please adjust your spice level accordingly. It's very nice. Let's see how things are getting done. So we have oil here, going to be deep fried. Okay. Now this is the shape that she's going to use. The mold. Basically, this is, if you have this, you can use this. Else, make it into a bigger than a puri. Stuff inside, fold it up, and you can press it with the normal fork. You'll get it tight inside. Okay, so this is how she's going to do. Let's see. Keep one like this and then make a space inside just for the filling, and then keep 1 spoon of filling inside that. Spread it out and then completely close it. So tight filling. Yeah. Complete tight filling, and then she's closing it up. And then take out the excess, press it very well, and take the excess batter that is sticking outside. Fine. And there we have, yes. And there we have this wonderful and very beautiful looking. It's very nice. It's very beautiful. We're going to deep fry it. So we have all these done. She's pressed it in the mold, and this is how it is. If you don't have the mold, as I said, you can skip this part. Fold it, press it with a fork, you'll get the same. This is only like, you know, easy way. So just deep fry it. Deep fry. Here goes. Golden brown, no?
golden.
Okay. So it is deep fried, light golden color. We are removing this. And this is how we make the rest of it. So the spicy stuffed puri is ready to be served. It's wonderful. Absolutely no stain of oil at all. It's so crispy. I shall definitely taste it for you, but it's too hot. The spicy stuffed puri. Oh, this has got an amazing taste. Superb. As such, I told you that it reminds me of the street foods. It's one such. Superb. Nice. Along with the sauce, well accompanied. That's also done. And so this is more and more innovative dishes that will be coming to you in FJ channel. So once again, this is Vinita Rajiv signing off. Thank you.